Hi, my name is James Thurman. I am the president of Executive Approaches to Strategic Excellence. We are a consulting firm specializing in process improvement. We use a methodology that includes both Six Sigma and Lean practices to increase productivity and increase profitability for our clients. We've helped clients in a variety of fields, including defense and aerospace, construction, medical, and most recently public utilities. We've helped those clients save in excess of $30 million over the past 3 years. You can visit us on our webpage at Executive Approaches, one word, executiveapproaches.com. Before we can improve any process, though, it is important to understand whether or not there is truly a problem. Many of us have heard the expression, that person is rearranging deck chairs on the Titanic. Well, what's that mean, rearranging deck chairs on the Titanic? What it means is that the wrong problem is being addressed. Deck chairs are being corrected, rearranged, the deck is looking better. However, the Titanic is still sinking. So that person is addressing the wrong problem. Before we make any change, we want to first create a business case that looks at the different problems and, in fact, make sure that we are addressing the correct problem. If I ask 5 people, what is the problem in your company? I may get 5 different answers. So first of all, we want to ask 3 questions. Is there truly a problem? Number 1, is there a problem? And if the answer is yes, there is in fact a problem, we know there's a problem, there's something that's keeping us up at night, then number 2 is that problem worth solving? Some problems not worth solving, they're worth living with. Rearranging the deck chairs on the Titanic is an example of that. Did those deck chairs need to be rearranged? Probably. Was it worth solving that problem? No. That was the wrong problem. So question number 3 is, what happens if nothing is done? In this case, the Titanic was heading for an iceberg. What happens if nothing is done, if that course is not changed? Well, the Titanic sinks. So if we're evaluating this and we're looking at those 3 questions, number 1, is there a problem? Well, yes, there's a problem. But the real problem, the one that we want to address, is the fact that the Titanic is heading for an iceberg, not that the deck chairs need to be rearranged. So a bonus question is, how will solving this problem affect your bottom line? So if I'm looking at the Titanic, rearranging those deck chairs does not have any effect on our bottom line. Changing course, however, would have a huge effect. So we, in the case of the Titanic, have built a good business case. If we're looking at building a business case, we want to do several things. We want to define the problem. We want to define the scope of the problem. What is the benefit of solving this problem? And what will the deliverables be? What do I get when I complete this project? That is the nature and the magnitude of the problem. We want to make sure that the nature and the magnitude of the problem are understood. To learn more about process improvement and how we at Executive Approaches to Strategic Excellence can help your business, visit our website. Again, it is Executive Approaches, one word, executiveapproaches.com. Einstein wants to find insanity as doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results. At Executive Approaches to Strategic Excellence, we can help you improve your processes and obtain different results.